Screenage is proudly presenting Hand Sanitizer Dispenser display at this COVID-19 pandemic situation. Waterproof pull-cap touchscreen as the interface. The display function operates either as a plug-and-play or cloud-based CMS operating system. The Hand Sanitizer Dispenser operates automatically without any human touch in it. The storage container has the capacity for 3-liter liquid or gel on the front side of the metal door, giving an easy accessibility to open and replace the sanitizer liquid or gel when it gets empty. .5 industrial LCD panel comes with a full high-definition display, 178-degree viewing angle, up to 500 nits brightness, can operate non-stop 24/7. These displays offer health information, videos, advertisements, messages, news feeds, social media feeds, and other content to customers at the time they clean their hands. The thermal scanning is an added feature which can sense the body temperature of the person from 60 to 80 centimeters distance from the unit. Be it hospitals, clinics, corporates, business centers, cafes, retail shops, educational institutions, airports, railway stations, bus depots. This digital signage with the dispenser can be handy in keeping the virus in check and relaying necessary information to the public.